To revisit the registration process for its solidarity program aimed at assisting Hurricane Melissa victims.
For a second time in days, chaos reigned as persons tried to get their names on the list for the $20,000 cash grant.
We visited Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth on Monday to observe the process.
Alicia Williams has our story.
Scenes outside the Northeast St. Elizabeth constituency office Monday morning. Staff members overwhelmed as hundreds of people gathered at the office to sign up for the $20,000 grant for Hurricane Melissa victims under the Solidarity Program.
Yeah, we have a lot of persons here, and even in saying that, we have to call for members of the security force to also assist us because it has been total chaos.
In fact, before midday, over 1,000 people had signed up for the grant, and the number kept climbing as the day progressed.
I won't say if everybody here will get through, to be honest, but most persons indeed, they will benefit from what has been offered here today.
So what about the persons who don't get through? Can they come back?
Right, well, we have to really find out the necessary information as it relates to that. I believe there will be additional forms, but as time progresses, we will find out more information about that.
However, some of the people here were not deterred by the size of the crowd or the wait time. Take this man, for instance, who told us his house was destroyed by the hurricane.
Even two drink or anything you can buy, we're making work.
It's, however, clear that more structure is needed in registering people under the Solidarity Program. Days ago, there were similar scenes in Darlaston, Westmoreland, forcing a halt to the program. In the meantime, Social Security Minister Pernell Charles Jr. acknowledges that there were operational challenges during the registration at the Santa Cruz and Darlaston locations. However,
we had to have early termination. And I tell you, it's really because we have observed an overwhelming turnout, which reflects genuine need. It shows that this is a program that is really needed across the spaces.
And going forward, the ministry will implement corrective measures to ensure the safe and smooth running of the program.
So we are immediately intensifying our public education campaign to make sure that the persons who have an interest understand the eligibility criteria so that you don't have persons coming there to add to the crowd who really are not eligible. We're also going to make sure that we have enhanced crowd management protocols at the future events, which would include, for instance, staggering the appointment system and making sure that we can have a better capacity for the registration to move smoothly.
Alicia Williams, TVJ News.